Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so. You all will be fine. Let's move on to our very quick Bitcoin update. First of all, let's move on to our weekly chart and look what's happening. In my opinion, we have already took kind of acceptance over this range, above this range, the previous lower high. So anything that we get below something around for the long term, if we get something around 20k, 19k, 18k, definitely I'm gonna bid that and targeting one of the previous major lower highs around 48k. So this is a plan for the long term, for the mid term, and I'm not, to be very honest, accumulating here. I bought something around here, and I have half of the bags over here in case we go straight up from here. Now let's move on to lower time frame. This is going to be a very brief and quick update. Let's move on to 4 hour. What's actually happening over here? Just give me a second. First of all, we're gonna go to daily after weekly, and then we will move forward to the lower time frames. Look at this. What's actually happening over here? A clear downtrend ongoing. Where was your previous higher low? Here it was. We have swept it twice, but haven't gained acceptance below this. So a chance to move back up, and this will be the zone around 28k, 28.2k to see either if it rejects from here or it breaks out. To be very honest, I think so. I'm personally, you guys already know this, that we are personally longed over here 28.3k. Yeah. And our stops are at break even. In case it goes to the moon, we will be happy, right? In case it comes back, we will be stopped break even. I'm not gonna bid 25k, never. It's obvious, it's pretty obvious where a lot of people are bidding. We are not going to bid anything over that level around 25k. We gonna wait for the lower levels here, kind of weekly order block. So this is pretty clear. I don't think so why a lot of people are just rushing into scalps and trades over this small range. Even the 4 hour range, this is no trend. You guys can't say any trend over here. This is just a small range, and on higher time frame, look at the chart. Look at the chart. Just look at the chart. Yeah. What's actually happening in the last few days like this? This is pure chop. This is kind of a new term that we use, is like a triangle that's keep going on being narrowed, like, yeah, this one. And you can either start from here, kind of this one. What actually happens normally in these days, like, go like this breakout and boom. So this is what actually happens these days with the triangles like these. I'm not pretty much interested over here. The reason is simple. Look at the delta spot. They bought over here, but when the price started to consolidate to the upside, the spot raised, stop. Sorry, the spots went down, and the perps, yeah, perps almost longed same like delta spot, but they also longed once more after this one, and there was no spot buying. Look at the Binance spot going down, Coinbase spot. Spots are honestly not interested in this range. Even the spot money is not interested in this range. That shows us that the price is basically weaker. Now look at DXY. Now look at DXY. There are now very less chances. There are now very less chances that the price of Bitcoin just keeps going up towards 30, 32k. To be very honest, there are very less chances, and more chances of coming back to the downside. That's why I'm not rushing into so many trades. Look at DXY. It's almost to the reclaim. Here are our levels, right? This is one of the major level. If this reclaims the yearly open, I can sense this going back above 105, and where we might see a quick drop on the Bitcoin. This is basically your liquidity taken, right? Ticked over here, liquidity is taken out. Now we want the liquidity of this side. In case the price goes and holds above this, this is gonna moon up towards 109 and 110, almost like 111, 109 levels. Yeah, over here. So that's why I'm basically not trying to rush into so many trades, because looking at the data that's given to us over perpetuals, look at Binance Spot, Coinbase Spot, BitMEX, Bybit. Spots are not accumulating, so why we should look at this tape? This is perpetual trades, right? Just they're shorting. That's one of the reason that uh kind of making the price stop over here, don't fall immediately. So the best advice I think so right now is wait, wait, wait for the Bitcoin to basically reclaim its this trend line like this one. Wait for this to be reclaimed, and then we're gonna get a move towards 28K. So this is the plan right now. It's basically bouncing from the weekly opens. There you got something 29.3K monthly opens, and this is already our plan ongoing. In case we got stopped out on break even, what we're gonna do is just wait. Even the price holds over these levels, just wait. It will do something like this in case we stop break even. So this is what the plan is, and sometimes protecting your capital is one of the major benefit and advantage you guys can get when the prices come down and you buy the more coins with the same amount. So this was a quick update about everything, the major things happening on the chart. Don't get bullish. Yeah, if we see something very good over here, this is the coin I'm going to long. It's right at monthly opens, right? Bitcoin is struggling to go back to the monthly opens, but Ethereum is right at the monthly opens. So just waiting for the price to go over there in case this breaks out, comes back down, comes to weekly opens around 18.1835 or 1830s level. I'm gonna retest. Sorry, I'm gonna wait for lower time frame MSP and gonna long over here, looking for 19.2 or something like that. So this is the plan right now, and why I'm making this video to make you guys learn why sometimes the patience is the best advantage that you guys can take. What if the Bitcoin suddenly falls back down towards 26K or even do not stop at 25K? So you always have to look at everything, all the confluences, what's actually happening on the chart, why they want to deviate you from your actual scenario, and then you have to kind of be prepared for what's the next move. Thank you. Let's move on to our some of the other content we're gonna have this weekend. Sorry, not the weekend, but the weekdays, and I will be sharing that on in the Discord group very soon.